Interested in information on builders in Preston? Custom homes with amenities galore, backyard putting greens for golfers, huge double aquariums with exotic fish and underground security rooms. At Alford Homes, we meet with our home buyers and take time to listen, ask the right questions, learn what's important, explain specific details and offerings along with newest technologies that are available like energy efficiency and green building techniques. We inquire about particular hobbies and unique circumstances within the family, like family members who have specific challenges, possibly older parents or grandparents that may be living in the home. After we have a clear vision of what the client wants and needs, we then begin designing and constructing a luxury custom home that perfectly fits the lifestyle of the family or individuals that will be living in it. At Alford Homes, we personalize your home to fit your lifestyle. Below are some of the specific items that Alford Homes has customized and then built to meet their clients' needs. 1. Putting green, a custom putting green in the backyard of a new Alford home for a gentleman that loves to practice and play golf. Contact us today for some details on builders in Preston.